Hello, my dear lovely viewers. Today I have something really interesting for you all. Don't act rich, you get rich. When you act rich, you are basically becoming poor. The art of attracting money lies in simple lifestyle. You buy a new car or properties, right to impress your wife or her relatives or even your colleagues, and paying 40,000 as EMI every month. I want to make you understand one thing. To be rich, you concentrate only 3 things in life. The first one is get mentally fit. Read as much as possible and make yourself informative than outdated person as per trend. People respect knowledge. Second one is to get physically fit. Understand that saying the health is wealth. And thirdly, be socially fit. Cut all the bad vibes, friends and network from your life and stay positive at all times possible. You should understand why Lamborghini has only 2 seats and bus has 50 seats in it. Take my word, you will start seeing changes in life. Name, fame, money, everything will come to you on the right time. Do comment if you get the results also. Hope you all loved today's content. Do love, like, share and subscribe my channel for more lovely contents on your screen. Until then, Kumar the hospitality trainer signing off to bring more contents on your screen. Take care. Bye-bye.